10-line speech on Human Rights Day with 2020 theme and importance. No matter our job, no matter our height, we all deserve to be treated right. A right that all people, whether woman, man and child, are born with is called a human right. Human Rights Day is observed every year on 10th December. On this day in 1948, United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, that is UDHR. Regardless of race, color, religion, sex, language, political or other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth or another status, all human beings are entitled to some rights. All individual has certain basic rights for leading a decent life, the rights that can never be taken away. The motto of giving human rights to every person is that all humans could lead their life without fear, harassment and discrimination. Human rights are universal, that is, people have access to these rights in every corner of the world. This year's Human Rights Day theme relates to the COVID-19 pandemic and focuses on the need to build back better by ensuring human rights are central to recovery efforts. Title of the 2020 Human Rights Day theme is Recover Better, Stand Up for Human Rights. In current pandemic situation, we must help each other in fighting this deadly virus. Healthcare is for all and we need to stand up for our rights and those of others. On this Human Rights Day, if you want to make this informative and beautiful Human Rights Day poster, then click the link given in the description box. Like, share, subscribe, school assignment help for more such videos. Thanks for watching.